why leaders call for a gathering of their people, why they call personnel for a conference. The most obvious reason why we are here is for the preparation of the opening of classes for the year 2023-2024. Our education leaders wanted to ensure the effective and efficient delivery of educational services in harmony with the goals and objectives of the Matatag agenda. For school heads, this gathering is an opportunity to learn new strategies in leadership, vital in planning, and continuous improvement in management and operation necessary for the implementation of programs, activities, and projects for the enhancement of teaching and learning process. The new perspective and insight that will be shared to us by our schools division superintendent, assistant schools division superintendent, our chiefs, and other speakers would bring about consistency of action in particular, in coherence in channeling the objectives to teachers and learners in our respective jurisdiction. These are vital in sustaining formulated development strategic plan for the school and leading teachers towards the accomplishment of desired objectives, such as enhanced classroom management and instruction, and for the attainment of an improved learners' performance. By that, on behalf of the Numancia District, welcome everyone.
Thank you so much, Richard. And now to welcome us all in